Good evening. I should say good morning. It's 3 in the morning. A little bit ago, I just got back from the Great Plains. Was on a storm chasing trip. Whole time I had a cough. May 5th, I had a cold, and I have been coughing and sneezing ever since May 5th, and it's May 27th right now, and I was just so fed up with this cough. So tired. I've been getting, over the past about 4 or 5 days, every night I've been averaging about 3 hours of sleep. I don't know why I'm telling you this, I really don't. But I just got home a few hours ago, just fed up, tired of the cough. So I went into the medicine cabinet and just started drinking cough medicine. I grab this one, pop the cap off, do it, chug it for a little while, put it back, grab another one, chug that one, put it back, see another one, oh, that looks good, chug that one. So hopefully that'll take care of the cough, because I am just so sick of the cough. I don't care if there's side effects to what I just did. I am fed up with it. Just, I find that, sorry, but I find that it's worse. It's at its peak when I'm about to go to sleep, which is just kind of like, the sickness or whatever I have kind of saying, you know what, that's kind of what I feel like it's doing. So I figured I'd hit it head on and take a variety of different cough medicines. So I probably took about, if you look at this wine glass right here, I probably took about this much cough medicine. So I don't even care at this point. Just broke a wine glass because I'm a little frustrated. But that's okay. So telling you, I don't know why I'm posting this video, but I am. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.